welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. First make a white cross with the center pieces matched. Here the center piece of red and white matched. So make all the pieces at the right place. Place all the pieces at the right place like this. And here is the green and the orange also matched. So here the white cross with all the center pieces matched. And now make the corner pieces aligned with the colors like green, white, orange. Here is the green, white, orange. So place it here. Here is the green matched. Here is the green, white, orange. Like this. Match these centerpiece and the corner piece color. Then do this and then here is the corner piece match. Then just match this piece with blue. Here is the blue and blue match. Just shoot this. Here is another one, red and red match. If this is on the left side, do it on the left or here, and at the right side do the same. Then match the edge pieces. Here is an edge piece with green and red. So match the green with the green. You have to do this like this way. Here, from the left side, and then match this with this. So when we do this, these matched and these matched, and then this, the edge piece is oriented. Then here it is another one, orange and blue match. Orange, if orange is at the left side, move it to the right side. If here is red, then move it to the right side. Here is orange and left side, remove the corner piece, match with the edge piece and put it down. It's matched. Here another one. Here is red, so then right, match it with the edge piece. Now separate this and this to make this aligned at here. So do this. Now this is removed from here. Then align this at here and the orange pieces at right. So move it to the left and R there and match these two. Here match. Move it here, move it down. So the two layers are completed. And here is a line made. We have to make a cross. A line has been made. So move that and here and do this. An arrow has made. Then again do this and the cross has been made. Then see that the edge pieces match here. So match this green, orange, red and blue are not matched. So put the green at the back and the orange at the left. Then do this. And see if the pieces are matched. Edge pieces are matched with the center pieces. Blue, red, green, orange. Here these are matched. Then just match these corner pieces and the cube is made. Cube has been solved. So see if a edge piece is matched or not. Green, orange, yellow, blue, orange, blue, red. No edge pieces has been oriented or matched. So just take one and move to the left and up and right, then up, then left, down, right, down, and see this piece is matched. Here the yellow cross has been made and the corner blue or red, yellow piece has been oriented. Then just put these at the right places. So do this, move it to the right, left, move it to the left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. At here the upper layer, the top layer has been oriented automatically, but if the at another condition the upper layer has not been oriented automatically, then do this. I just shuffle this so that the upper layer has been just been mixed. I don't disturb these two layers and the white layer. So repeat this. I have a dot here, but for this dot just do this and the arrow has been made. Then do the same algorithm we have done before, and then the cross is made. Just to see if a corner matched or not. Here green, red, yellow, green, red, yellow is matched. And do the left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. And see, no corners matched. And then match the center pieces. Green, red, blue, and red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow. The green, orange, yellow is not matched, so just take the red, blue, yellow, and left, up, right, up, left, down, right, down. Here, no match, no match, no match. Repeat. Yeah. Here's all the corners matched. Then to orient these corners, just do this. Yeah. This corner is oriented. Then just move this, this, this. Just do continuously till the edge piece and the corner piece match. Then move these two match. This is not, and move this, move this, move this. This not match, so repeat it. Repeat the algorithm. Here match. This not match. Move this, and here it is matched. Then move up. These all corners are matched. Match the center pieces, and here is your cube is made. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment if you have any questions.